right, question about my plan for buying and selling Bitcoin. The question is, okay, what about altcoins, right? Does that plan apply to altcoins as well? Long story short, no, it doesn't apply to altcoins. It is specific to Bitcoin. So what does that mean for altcoins? Well, here's a longer story. As far as altcoins go, I treat them as a separate category of investment. I don't trade back and forth. It's just those are speculative assets. Bitcoin is an investment. So, and you can see that in my portfolio strategy. So the way I would look at it is, I buy altcoins regardless of market conditions. When there's a really good project and it comes up and I feel like, okay, it's very situational. And I talk about this. If you're a paid subscriber, I'll talk about this in the updates, but it is situational and it's specific to the project. So, for me personally, I can't answer that question. But generally speaking, yeah, when the plan says buy Bitcoin, feel free to buy altcoins. Please do so by all means. When Bitcoin's price is outside the buying zone, I mean, for me, if something really interesting comes along and I'm in a position that I can take advantage of the opportunity, I'll do it. Sometimes there are projects that I have that, for whatever reason, I don't know, maybe my expectations were too high, or my viewpoint on the market changes, my viewpoint on the technology or the specific project changes or whatever. I'll sell, just sell. I never take, I don't take profits. Now I'll take profits after every 10x. I'll take 3% of the tokens out of the market. But, I reluctantly, only because I feel compelled to. But generally speaking, the point is to hold these things forever. And a 10x, I mean, that's not guaranteed. Honestly, I'll be okay with 9x, 900% return. That's good enough for me. I'm okay with that. And if that means I have to wait 4 or 5 years, fine. Where else are you going to get that opportunity? So, in that regard, don't even worry about. I don't even think about the plan. But there are situations where I will absolutely prioritize getting money into altcoins. And this just happens to be one of those times. It's been that way for months. The bottoms, when the market's down, when it's beat down, great time to get into altcoins. Great time. Everybody else says no. They wait until the bull market. Well, you don't know when the bull market's going to start. And even once it starts, you don't know. You still get these 30, 40, 50% drops. And when Bitcoin goes down 30, 40, 50%, those altcoins go down 60, 70, 80%. So for altcoins, let's just take it as it comes. When Bitcoin's priced in the buying zones, you should feel comfortable buying altcoins. Understand, more volatile, right? You know that. You know the deal. Also understand, totally speculative. Also understand, for me, it's something that I'll talk about in the paid updates, the updates for paid subscribers, as far as the specific conditions that I see related to altcoins. And as far as you're going, I would say just don't worry so much about the market conditions. There are going to be times where just things are really hot. And I'll let you know. It's very hot. Just FYI. Not don't buy, because you just don't know. It can get hot and then just explode. By the time it cools back off, you go down to a price that's even higher than when you found out about this thing. But don't worry. I got you covered on that. I'll let you know when things are getting a little frothy, where you might want to, take that under advisement. Relax and enjoy the ride.